Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel XOXO. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and to like and share my video. This video is going to be all about this hair tutorial and how I got my beachy, curly, wavy hair with my Paul Mitchel curling wand. So we're going to get right into that, so stay tuned. For this hair tutorial, I'm going to literally go step by step and show you exactly what I use. So as you can see, my hair is still wet. I use the generic brand conditioning shampoo, which is the generic version of the Clairol Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. So I like this to kind of tone my blonde hair. I use it like once or twice a week. And then I used the Aussie Miracle Mask, 3-minute Miracle Mask, and the Strong. So I use these together because this is a little bit more drying. So any purple shampoo is more drying. So I would use like a deep conditioner with that. So then I'm going to take my Matrix Total Results Pro Solutionist Instacure Leave-In Treatment. We're going to spritz this all over. So I like to use this as like a detangler. And then I'm going to brush through and kind of like really get the ends and the top of my head. So this is really nice because it treats like static, any flyaways or anything like that. So I like this a lot. And then this is the wet brush. And I absolutely love wet brushes, so I would highly recommend a wet brush. Then I'm going to use the Not Your Mother's Way to Grow Leave-In Treatment with Procapsil. So this helps your hair grow longer. We're going to spray that all over. It smells really good. I wouldn't recommend applying it directly to the top of your head, so because you don't want it to weigh your hair down, especially if you have thin hair. So I would do this a little bit. I'm obsessed with hair products, so then the next one I'm going to use, because I am going to blow dry my hair off camera, is the Maui Moisture Thicken and Restore Bamboo Fibers Blowout Mist. So this smells really, really good. It's got castor oil, neem oil, I think argan oil, bamboo fibers. So I love sprays, as you can see, and I'm going to spray it all throughout my hair. So those two I'm going to spray, and then I'm going to brush through. And then the Procapsil, that I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, but that's more of a herbal ingredient, I guess, that's supposed to promote hair growth. So that's the first time I'm trying Procapsil, whatever it's called. Seriously don't know how to pronounce it. So then I'm going to be using Seal the Deal Strong Sexy Hair Split End Mender. And I'm just going to use this like this much from about here down, because my ends need some help. So we're just going to kind of condition that through. And that's how I like to use my conditioner as well, is to just kind of comb through with your fingers. I'm going to add a little bit more just for this side. You don't want to add too much product. I love adding product to my hair, but I also realize that if you add too much, obviously it weighs your hair down, so it's not going to be that great. Also, if you use a conditioner, if you have very, very thin hair, which I don't, you could always use your conditioner first and then shampoo it out. And what I recommend is using your conditioner from about here down. Don't necessarily put it on the top of your head. I usually take the residual conditioner that's left on my hands that I put into the rest of my hair, and then I just kind of tap the top, so that way the top is not frizzy or anything like that. But I don't put it directly on my roots because my roots are oily and they get oilier if I put conditioner on them. I don't know about you, but if you have dry hair, I don't know, it might work, but I just feel like conditioner would be a little bit too heavy. So I'm just going to take a little bit more, run it through, take a little bit more of this Way to Grow. As you can see, I love my products. It does smell really good. And then I am going to go blow dry my hair with the Ion Anti-Frizz Thermal Round Brush. And I just like to take it and brush through that and just kind of like brush it while I blow dry it. And I like it because this heats up and it gives it a nice like body and wave and curl. So then I will come back when it's done, when it's dry, and then I will show you what I'm going to do with the curler. So this is my hair directly after I blow dried it. And I didn't add anything besides what you saw. The reason I had to like talk really fast and speed through it is because I could feel my hair drying and I was like, no, I have to dry it with the blow dryer. So this is my hair directly after blow drying. I didn't add any extra product in it. I think I'm going to do it after I curl it. So I'm using the Paul Mitchel Protools wand. This is a wand that comes with 3 barrels too. So I'm using the widest barrel. There's one that goes skinny, and then there's the skinny one for ringlets. So we're going to be using this one today. My mirror's over here, so I'm going to be looking down so I know where I'm doing my hair so I don't burn myself, because these get really, really hot. And it comes with a little glove thing, but I'm not going to use that because every time I feel like I can like touch it, I can't. So I just would highly recommend, do not burn yourself. We're going to turn it on, and it says 360, but we're going to put it up. It goes up to 400, but we're going to put it to, it goes up to 410, but we're going to put it on 400. So I'm going to let that heat up. So I'm just going to brush through my hair with my wet brush again. Obviously, it's really good for wet or dry hair. I think that this would be really good for kids too, because like I've heard that like you can't brush through a kid's hair, because I mean when I was a kid I would scream. So I mean I would highly recommend getting like the full size one, or like they do have a kid size one if you have kids or anything, because I mean this is like absolutely the best. Like I've never had a brush that just like goes through my hair without being tangled. So I really think that like kids would like it, everything like that. So I have my hair tie. I'm just gonna tie back like each hair. I thought I had a hair clip, but I guess I don't. So I'm just gonna take like each piece that I do and kind of flip it over. But I'm gonna tie it back right now and just take, oh, I have makeup on me. That's makeup. I got eyeshadow on my arm. So since this is more of like a natural wave, I don't really want like ringlets, so I'm just gonna do kind of like big chunks. And I also don't like curling my hair like that long, so I'm gonna just do like big chunky sections at a time. So I always like to brush through it before I take it. And then I'm going to look here, not at you guys because I don't want to burn myself. And I just like to wrap my hair around. And then you can roll it up. So I'm just going to hold it there. And it should come out like that. And then if you want to take like this back piece and kind of do more at the top, you can always do that. Just so you can like take each piece of hair and detail it, but I want like bigger chunks. So right now, this is obviously before like you brush through it and everything, so they kind of look more like ringlets. But then we're gonna go back in and brush through it at the end. And it's also going to kind of like tone down throughout the day, and like if you sleep on it, it's going to be just more of a wave. So that's kind of what I'm going for. Yeah, I like that. So then I'm going to take another section of hair, like a bigger section, and I'm going to section the top and the bottom out. So you'll see where your hair naturally sections anyway. So I'm just going to take these, flop these over my head, and then put them in my pony because I'm not really worried about like the perfect curl because it's kind of like a messy wave, like a beachy wave. So if you put them in the bun, it kind of gives you more volume like my hair does. So I don't know if yours does, but mine does. So we're going to go with that. Then I'm going to actually take this piece, split it in two, because this piece actually goes with this piece, but we're going to do this. Wrap it around. So we're going to take this baby section and do this one really quick. I knew it was going to come out like that. Okay, so I did the rest of it off camera, as you can see, and I saved this last piece just to show you guys the rest of it. So we're going to finish it with this piece, because it's going to be a big chunk. So this, since this is such a thick chunk of hair, we're going to leave it on a little bit longer. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to shut my curling wand off. And then I'm just going to kind of like zhuzh it around a little bit because I mostly want volume and wave. I might have missed a couple pieces in the back, but I can't see them, so I'll fix those after. So you can kind of comb it out a little bit too. And then just like kind of part your hair however you normally part it. My hair gets so tangled. But yeah, I would just brush through it kind of. Then you can go through and kind of like, you can spray your waves with hairspray. You could use a mousse in the beginning if you wanted to. I just don't normally use mousse, so I just didn't. Use like pieces. So then you can spray your curls down, which I might probably go do. But I wanted to show you how I get my like beachy waves and beachy curls. So obviously you could go bigger. You can like hold it on the curling iron longer and they won't be like as big. But I'd rather have them like bigger and like more full and natural instead of like ringlets personally. But yeah, this is just my easy hair tutorial how I do my hair. Sometimes I normally straighten it or blow dry it and then leave it. But this is my curls. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you enjoyed the products that I used. You could wear this like to a formal event. You could wear it casual. So like whatever works for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and to follow me on Instagram and Twitter.